Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily find out who liked a comment in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also be sure to put your likes. So, let's get us started. And let's say, if you ever wanted to see, for example, who puts likes on comments. Like your friend's comments, or your friend's comments, or your acquaintance's comments. Or if you read a comment under someone's post and you want to see who liked it, it's very easy to do. And now I will show you how to do it. So, first of all, you find some posts, of course, go to the comments section. You want to find the likes, there's just a little bit of nothing pony. I'll show you, so here we go. In order to see who has liked a certain person's comments, you have to click on them and hold down on the heart. And as you can see, a list of people who have liked that comment will appear. Not many people here, but if it's some famous band or any celebrity at all, and you're looking at his comments, then of course, there's going to be a lot more likes on comments. Friends, this is the simple way you can find out who likes comments on Instagram. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to put likes, also write comments. See you soon.